Self-esteem makes it seem like a thought took years. Self-esteem makes it seem like a thought took years. Now it's out of hand cause you told me you hate me. And then you ask what have I done lately. Now it's out of hand cause you told me you hate me. And then you ask what have I done lately. Scream I'm lazy, you must be crazy. Scream I'm lazy, you must be crazy. Thought I was a donut, you tried to glaze me.
We are again. Right now I'm measuring out the square footage of this home to do the cleaning. Okay. So I've already done the hallway here, front door. Okay. So I'm working my way back down this hall. I just last took a garage door hall, 2x3 closet. All is well, Tower Grout Experts LLC. Look at this. It's crushing.
First you said all you want is love and affection. Let me be your angel and I'll be your protection. First you said all you want is love and affection. Let me be your angel and I'll be your protection.
Got the call 10 o'clock this morning. Returned the call 10:05 this morning. We met up at 1 o'clock this afternoon, and I'm here in the home at 4 a.m. I did the color seal. These floors here. Whew. Here. In the laundry room as well. This bathroom here. Did these floors. Color sealable.
Right here, dog. Yeah. I'm right here, dog. Yeah. I'm right here, dog.
I ain't really never gave a I ain't really never gave a I ain't really never gave a fuck how niggas feel.
Experts LLC. What I'm doing today is I'm working on a fresh deep clean, and you sort of see those grout lines. You see the dirty ones up there. Those are the ones I just done too.
Right here, dog.
I thought you niggas was killers, demented. I thought you niggas was killers, demented. Fuck is on your mind, talking that shit that you be talking. And I bet you wish you never got hit, cause you be pretty. But I'm gonna stay shitty. Cruddy, it's all for the money. Is you with me? I thought you niggas was killers, demented. I thought you niggas was killers, demented. Fuck is on your mind, talking that shit that you be talking. And I bet you wish you never got hit, cause you be pretty.
Yeah.
That shit that you be talking, and I bet you wish you never got hit, cause you be fuckers on your mind. Don't make me show you, I ain't really never gave a fuck how niggas feel. Fuck how niggas feel. Don't make me show you pretty, but I'ma stay shitty. Cruddy, it's all for the money.
I'm right here, dog. Yeah. I'm right here, dog. Yeah. I'm right here, dog.
I ain't really never gave a I ain't really never gave a I ain't really never gave a fuck how niggas feel. I ain't really never gave a fuck how niggas feel.
Take a look. I did this room here. Can you tell the difference between this and the room? We got off of the floor, but see, this machine takes it off of the floor. Feel me? AM, dog, got here at 7.
Wow, I'm gonna get down on this little nook and cranny down here.
Come down this little nook and cranny with me. Feel me?